Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Engo, and today we're gonna show you guys how to basically just echo the post thumbnail instead of the content that I did in the last video. So this is gonna be just a short video. So just go into your WordPress admin. Let me show you the carousel as well. If you go into posts, yeah, the carousel looks so much better right now because we're also using the featured image. So we could style the image itself. So yeah, basically this is what I did. I just added a link with the permanent link and the post thumbnail. And in the previous video, I just due to the WordPress update, they just changed a little bit thing in the editor. So you're just gonna go into your posts, like a slider post, for example. Let's actually add a new one. Let's just add a new one. I also fixed the previous bug that they could only show 4 pictures or 3 pictures, like only 3 pictures. Right now it could show the 4 pictures because I removed the indicators. You're just gonna add a block, and in that you're just gonna choose the post featured image, upload that, and select this for example. So then publish this, and we don't need to do the text align center because I already uh, did the styling in the images. So here it is. Let's go to posts and see if it's there. So yeah, here it is. But let me just change something. I want to change this into the title, not the WordPress title. Yeah, so here it is. And if we click on the image, it's just going to take us to an index PHP. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a single.php, which is going to be a new file, and we're going to be editing the posts itself. We're going to be editing the post itself that we're going to be doing. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment and like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.